Javon, I thought you was gonna help me do the car, Papa. Alright, I guess not. But anyway, man, welcome back to another video. We know it's been a minute, y'all. Listen, my little guy's birthday was just this past weekend, so we've been crazy. Even the weekend before, just setting up his birthday, getting his party stuff ready. Hey, don't go too far. You gonna help me? You gonna help me do the car? Come on, come help me do the car. So anyway, today gonna be a real nice short video, man. Look, now he wanna come. Come on. But I'm gonna show you guys how to get this clean right here. The exhaust tip. See how dirty that is? That's pretty nasty. So we're just gonna get those cleaned up today. I heard real good things about this Mother's mag and aluminum polish, so we're gonna give it a try today. Thirsty? Yes. All right, so what you doing? The turtles? The turtles in the basement, I think, Papa. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give this one a shot first. So I'm gonna crack this stuff open. Again, I got this at AutoZone. It was $6.99, I believe. So you put a little bit on the cloth. So I gotta keep this away from you, obviously, because he keep putting his hands in it. But so far, so good. So let me get this one side off, and then I'll show y'all what it looks like when it's done, because I can't hold the camera and do that at the same time. So far, so good. Yo, I definitely recommend this stuff to anybody. So y'all seen it before. Quick image up here in the corner to show what that look like. And then look how clear that is. Look, you can see my grass now. Like, it looks good. I did use this little bristle brush to clean like the insides. I didn't use it to clean the top just because I didn't want to scratch it, but this will help getting some of the deep dirt out of it. If you don't want to use it, you don't have to, but I just use it just to help out a little bit. I didn't scrub too hard because I didn't want to scratch it. But as y'all can see, that looks pretty good. That stuff works pretty good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take some water and I'm gonna go around it one more time, and then I gotta do this side. So look at the difference. Look how dirty that is. You know, compared to how good this one look. Yeah, that's some good stuff. So I'm gonna actually keep that stuff. I didn't think it was gonna work that well. So I'm gonna do this side now, and I'm gonna show y'all the end result. So I did put a little bit of that cream on here to clean some of it. And it is coming out. As you can see right there, there was a little bit of dirt, but I'm not scraping too hard. Just enough to get some of that grime out. It's like it's really bad in these corners. That's where most of it starts to collect. I don't know why. Like, it's not bad on the bottom. It's really bad on the corners. Like right here too. It's a really bad corner. All right. So that should be enough. I'm gonna get the cloth. As y'all can see, I got a little bit on my cloth already. Just gonna wipe it in. Give me 1 second. All right. All right, wiped it in a little bit. And then this should just clean it right up nice and good. Yeah, that's gonna look good when it's done. Look how dirty that is, man. That's disgusting. Mind y'all, I haven't did this in 5 years. So mine's been this dirty since 5 years since I bought the car. I've never cleaned this. That's sad. That's pretty bad, actually. I never really paid too much attention to it till like somebody told me, like, listen, the exhaust tips are dirty. So I think that's look good. Let's get our second cloth just to clean it off. So I just got a regular clean cloth with no cream on it just to get it down. Sorry about the shaking. Hey, how you doing, sir? Pretty good. So look at the shine. Now you can see the shine on it. Oh yeah, see, yeah, there you go. You can see me right there. Yeah, I think that stuff works pretty good, man. And then I feel like this side's way better though. So I might have to redo the right side, but Man, that looks good. Look how sharp that is. All right, let's see. I wonder why this side didn't come out as good. I think I'm gonna hit it with polish one more. Oh, nah, that's pretty good. Look, that's a pretty good crispy image. Look, Papa, it came out good. So what I did with this one, I just went through one more time and then did it with one more layer of polish. This stuff worked great, man. This stuff worked great. So this is the end result, y'all. This Mags polish, aluminum polish stuff. This stuff is great. I recommend this to anybody. It's only $7. You probably get it cheaper if you look around, but AutoZone is local, so I just went to AutoZone and grabbed it. This stuff is perfect, and it's definitely enough polish in there for $7. I only used a little bit, and I got those pretty clean. So check these out. Just take a look at the back of your car, man. You'll be surprised how dirty they is. Just take a nice little bit of polish on it, wipe them down. This stuff works great. So that's all I got for y'all today, man. And hopefully everybody having a good day, man. Listen, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, man. I'm out. Peace.